You don't earn the dollar, but you pay the price when the dollar rises. Have you ever wondered why everything from petrol to your phone get expensive the moment US dollar goes up? The dollar rising has nothing to do with you, yet it controls your entire life. The US dollar is rising again while the Indian rupee is falling. Do you know where this started? In 1944, the US convinced the world to use dollar as a currency for international trade. That one decision changed your life, even 80 years later. Think of the dollar like a Wi-Fi to the world's economy. Every country uses it to rely on it and cannot function without. So when the dollar becomes strong, everything you buy becomes expensive. Your petrol, your cooking, your iPhones, even the foreign education dreams. There are 3 simple reasons. Foreign investors are taking money out of India and putting it into the US because they think it's safer right now. Second, the US increased interest rates so investors get more return by keeping money in US bank. Third, global uncertainty, war, elections, inflation, all make the dollar stronger because the US is seen as stable. Meanwhile, the rupee slips because India has to pay more dollar for imports. You may not check the currency rate every day, but currency rate checks you. When the dollar rises, fuel gets expensive, your monthly groceries increases, flights cost more, imported goods become premium, EMI indirectly rise over time. And the worst of all is your saving lose value. So here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't earn dollar, but you pay the price when the dollar rises. That's why the rich gets richer, because their income is linked to global currency, and middle class keeps struggling because their income is local, but their expenses are global.